store all my car parts. Fucking mint. And my fishing rod. My sister's car. Fucking mint. Her boyfriend's car. Fucking mint. The reason we're here to fix my mom's oil leak. Pretty bad. A lot of oil everywhere. Let's see what the issue is.
Man, I'm glad you're here. It's been leaking like crazy.
Here.
It should be hard to find. It's a big leak.
You forgot to put your oil cap back on.
Man! I kept wondering. It's been 3 days. I've gone through a whole 5 quarts of oil.
Oh my god.
Whoops. That was an easy fix.
Yeah, it was. This is awesome.
And I didn't even lose the cap. That's pretty good.
I know, it stayed on there. Well, time to pressure wash this, I guess. And hopefully there's no other leaks.
So you're gonna go pressure wash it for me?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Do you need?
A hard job made simple, all clean and ready to go.
Back.
What are you doing in my seat?
Go. Back.
Now that we figured out the oil problem, my mom has another problem. So this side, these brakes are toast. Like, I could feel all the grooves. So that's what we're gonna do today. We're gonna replace the brakes. What are you doing? What are you doing? Just got back from the junkyard and did the one thing you're not supposed to do. Buy brakes from the car that's junk. And these are used brakes. But they're slightly smooth. I mean, it's budget. We aren't rich here. This is $11. Brake pads, good condition. Let's put them on. Just gonna jack this up first. Loosen your lug nuts. Don't take them off, but loosen them up, and then jack it up. Now continue to remove the goddamn wheel. God damn, it's windy. Put the wheels off, you can see a little better. And no brake pad. Nice. Okay. Now what I've learned, just from going to the junkyard, first thing, you're gonna want to take this cap off of this nipple here and bleed your brake. Just open it up all the way, let it bleed out as you're disconnecting some other stuff. So I'm gonna unbolt that real quick. Okay. Now that that's bleeding all over the place, your brakes will decompress a lot easier. The next part, I'll show you right here. Right here, in these clamps, there's caps. You gotta pop those out, and there's some Allen wrenches, some Allen keys. So you gotta take your Allen wrench and take those bolts out, and that will release that. And then to get the rotor off, I'll get to that part. Let's get through this. Well, that bolt I was just trying to get out doesn't look like it's gonna come out. That would explain, you know, why this side was never changed. Somebody stripped out that bolt, so we're gonna have to figure out another way. Stay tuned. Well guys, there's always a way around things. Always a way. I just unbolted these right here, and came right out. So yeah, next thing you're going to want to do is unbolt that right there. That's a 10 millimeter, so we'll get that done real quick. Now that that's out, I'm pretty certain that should just come out. I might have to smack it a few times. My phone died, but I'll just explain it. It's fairly simple. Your bleeder valve's already released, or is already off, so it's already releasing the pressure, which is good. You did that first. You want to take one of these, and you want to compress the compressor, which is right there, and you just put this end on the back of that, and this one compressing, and then once it's all the way down and compressed, you can put your brake pads on. I got the rotor off, just took a hammer and smacked the old one off. It was pretty seized on there, so if you're swapping them, just, I don't know, I don't think it matters if you just bonk them off. So this one's on here now. Those are on there, so I'm just gonna bolt that back up, which is these side bolts, and hope for the best. I would recommend doing this yourself because it is fairly simple. I thought it'd be harder because it is a Volvo, but it's just like every other car. Except the rotor was easier to take off. So, I'll show you what it looks like, and I'll tell you what you need to do to finish it off. It's all put back together. It's not pretty because it's not new, but it was $11. I'm just going to keep mentioning how much it was because that's all I have to say to my shitty decision. The only thing you're going to have to do really is bleed your brake anymore. Bleed your brake to get this compressed again. And that's it. So we'll just loosen this back up a little bit. Yeah. Now it's bleeding, blowing little bubbles. So I'm one man right now. I'm gonna have to one man job this. Go in here, pump your brakes. Look at that, nice and tight now. Now, go back out there and tighten that thing. Just tighten her back up. She's ready to go. One more thing. Don't forget to put your damn tire back on. And make sure it ain't gonna fall off either, because that would fucking suck. Let's go test this son bitch out. Oh. I forgot. Got one more important thing. Put in brake fluid. And this specific Volvo, I don't know if it's all of them, takes the DOT4. So far so good, ladies and gentlemen. Just driving down this bumpy old road, that's why you need a Volvo for this kind of stuff. And brake test. Woo! Should almost fly out and hit me. And brake test. Woo! motherfucker. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. It's really hard to record, you know, with the winter and the snow and the cold. My nose is red. But yeah, I'm gonna keep trying to record and stuff for you guys. Remember, like, comment for questions, share, and subscribe. I hope you liked the video. I'll talk to you guys later. And yeah, I'll see you later. Bye! Oh, it's still recording. Shit. Bye! Do that again?
Oh, that's funny. Mama left the cap off.
How's your car now?
It's wonderful. Watch this.
The car stops. And you got oil.
And I have oil. My oil light's not on.
Your ABS light turned off for a second.
I can run my heater without it stinking us out, guys. No smoke coming through the vents. Look at that.
It still kind of stinks.
Oh, well, I'm gonna turn that off. Oopsie.
It'll go away.
Oopsie.